5 things para dili na ta magsalig og sugal para lang mo asenso aning kinabuhi. O pasagdaan na to nas iba na. Kamo, ug unsa na yung mga promote dihang mga sugal-sugal, aning kamot lang yung sa iyong kinabuhi. Kay ang sugal, wa gunay kasiguraduan, magkalas-kalas na siya kwarta. So, these are the 5 things that will help you hopefully mo asenso sa life without sugal. Number 5 is consume less. Have you ever asked yourself, kapila man ka magtanaw og mga reels or videos, YouTube in a day? 4 hours, 3 hours, daghan kay kang mabuhat ana. And as you're watching the vloggers and content creators, they are earning from your views. So nakakwarta sila kay sige man kaog tan-aw sa ilaha. And number 4, learn a new skill. The opportunities are unlimited using the internet. So instead nga magsige kag tan-aw sa mga vlogger, why not learn a new skill mo? Enroll ka og a tutorial nga pwede nimong maka-improve sa imong mga skill in whatever career you want, or maybe a hobby that you want to become your business someday. Number 3 is strive for growth. Every day is a day to learn. Strive for growth. Ayaw ka kontento og asa ra ka karon. You have to strive for growth because this is not only for yourself but also for the future of your family. Number 2, delayed gratification. Katong nadawat ko sa DepEd, wala din ko nikuha og motor. Kay I know, pag makakuha kog motor, magsige na kog sa laag, and of course, magsige na kog gasto. So what I did, nag-enroll ko og masters. Katong sa masters na ako, mo to yung way na nahimo kong teacher 3, even before ko nilangyaw sa abroad. So katong pagka teacher 3 na ako, nidako pud ako ang sweldo. So sometimes in life, naagod ay kinahanglang i-sacrifice. You have to weigh your options. Dili pwede nga sige lingaw-lingaw lang. There should be a balance sa lingaw-lingaw o of course the future of your career. And of course, last one, create more, which is connected to consume less. Create more, consume less. It doesn't mean nga mag-create ka og reels, but create more memories with your friends and family. Ang outside world nimo, dili kaning internet. Kay kaning internet, it's not the real world. The real world, your real connections are your friends and family. And again, karong 30 na ta, 30 na ta, we're halfway on our 60s. So, be intentional with your time, with your family and friends. Kay tunga-tunga na tas kinabuhi, guys. So, again, have fun. And I hope this helps. Hindi na ta magsugal-sugal kay kala na siya kwarta. I hope you have a good day.